Have you ever sat in complete silence, only to hear a strange sound in your ears? Well, that's called tinnitus, and it's more common than you think. It's not caused by any external sound, though. Tinnitus is your brain creating its own ghost sound, a sound that doesn't actually exist in the world around you. And here's the kicker. Complete silence can actually make the sound of tinnitus even worse. That's why many people use white noise to mask the sound and give their brain something else to focus on. Subscribe now for more amazing videos like this.